Have you ever pondered over the question, what does it take to transform a simple financial wish into a tangible financial goal? The answer lies in the power of SMART goals. Welcome to an enlightening session on how to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your financial success. Specificity is the first step towards clarity. A vague desire such as "I want to save more money" lacks the precision required for a goal. A specific goal could be "I want to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house." The objective is clear and the purpose is defined. Next is measurable. A goal without a measurable outcome is like a sports competition without a scoreboard or finish line. If the goal is to save $50,000, an effective way to measure progress could be by setting smaller milestones, such as saving $4,000 every 3 months. Moving on to achievable. A goal must be realistic and attainable to be successful. Setting an unrealistic goal, such as saving $1 million in a year on a modest income, is more likely to dishearten than inspire. When setting goals, it's important to consider one's financial capacity and constraints. Relevance comes into play next. A goal must align with other wider financial plans and objectives. If the aim is to retire early, investing heavily in a startup business might not be the most relevant choice, considering the risk involved. Lastly, time-bound. Every goal needs a target date or a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and prompts action. For instance, aiming to save $50,000 in 2 years sets a clear timeline for achieving the goal. In summary, the SMART goal framework provides a systematic approach to setting financial goals. It emphasizes the importance of specificity, measurability, achievability, relevance, and time framing in goal setting. The power of SMART goals lies in their ability to transform abstract financial aspirations into concrete financial plans. Remember, a specific goal has a much better chance of being accomplished than a general goal. To make a goal measurable, ask questions such as how much, how many, how will I know when it is accomplished? To ensure the goal is achievable, you must believe that it can be accomplished. To check the relevance, align the goal with broader financial plans. And finally, to make it time-bound, set a deadline. So, the next time you sit down to set your financial goals, don't just wish. Be smart about it. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Then, watch how these SMART goals pave the way to your financial success.